So far, Rajasthan has left me completely speechless, and this place is beautiful in its every aspect. Whether be its music, its culture, or its food, it's not even fair to compare them. Continuing in this journey, I arrived at Jodhpur. Yes, the Blue City. Unfortunately, I just had one day to explore this beautiful city, but that gave me a chance to come back. And with that said, now it was time to leave for the last destination of this trip, Udaipur. And believe me, it was magical. What is up everyone? Right now I'm in Udaipur, Rajasthan, and today I'm going to Bahubali Hills for an amazing sunset. So let's do it. So guys, we are starting the hike now. The view is gonna be amazing, guys.